It is, I will give you another joke. I saw you smiling. Did you pay for smiling?
No.
Do you know why? Because smiling is free. You don't pay. Do you know why it's free?
Why?
You want to know? Because when you smile, you don't pay. It's free because it's a permanent joy and happiness. Correct? And it is contagious. You know what is permanent and temporary?
What is it?
Temporary, when you eat food, buffet, you enjoy also, right? But it is not permanent joy. It is temporary. You know why?
Why?
The food goes to the toilet. Correct?
Opo.
You enjoy eating and then you bring them back the food to the toilet. It is not forever. It is not permanent, right?
Opo.
Oh, so smile is permanent. You don't throw it to the toilet, right? It's all for you forever, right? And it is contagious. So you keep smiling. It's a permanent joy, right? But then when you eat food, it's not permanent joy. It's temporary because the toilet will get it back. So that's why smile is free. It makes sense?
Opo.
Okay, now, why the stomach is always hungry? You eat yesterday and today you will hungry again. And then you eat breakfast, lunch, dinner, and you will be hungry again tomorrow. Why God set up your stomach always hungry? Do you want to know?
Opo.
Interesting to know?
Opo.
But you also know that we are always hungry, right? Remember, you eat yesterday, right? What did you eat now? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Breakfast.
And then a little bit a while, 4 hours, and now you were gonna be hungry again, right? But God set it up like that. You always be hungry. You wanna know now why? Because Adam and Eve, they have a firstborn baby. He killed the secondborn. So Cain killed his brother, and God punished Cain. Why did you kill your brother? From now on, you get penalty, you get punishment. Your stomach will be hungry forever until you die, including your children, grandchildren, and children, and we are the grandchildren. You are the grandchildren of Adam and Eve, and those baby of Adam and Eve. That's why you get penalty for what he did. He killed his brother. Now the penalty, the punishment, you will be hungry. Did you like it? So you know now why we are empty stomach every 4 hours. We are always hungry because he killed his brother. So don't kill. When you kill somebody, God give you penalty, always empty stomach, hungry. Did you like that? Good to know? No sound. Hello? Oh, yeah. Now I can. Did you like that, Elobel? Did you like it, empty stomach? Yes.